Have you got 2 minutes? Here's how to apply to Teesside. Firstly, do your research. You can check the course page on our website. There you'll find information on the modules you'll study, whether you can do an industry year, and our available course start dates in September or January. Do check your dedicated country page to see the international qualifications we accept and to discover support for you in your country. But don't forget to check scholarship opportunities on our website as well. Many of our scholarships are automatically assessed, but there may be some funding with specific deadlines, so you wouldn't want to miss out. If you're looking to join us for an undergraduate programme, you can apply via UCAS or directly via our website. Postgraduate applicants can apply online via the course page. We also have overseas regional offices spread across the globe, some of which can accept applications, so make sure to check with your regional office. Right, it's time to get your application in order. Make sure you've got your supporting documents ready, such as your personal statement, references and CV, and, if available, your transcript and English language certificate. After you've applied, we'll let you know the decision. If we make you an unconditional offer, you've no more requirements to meet, so you can now start to make plans to come and join us at Teesside. If you get a conditional offer, then there's some requirements you still need to meet, so check your offer letter carefully. And if you need to upload any other supporting documents, you can do this via your applicant portal. If you need to meet an English language condition, check our website for our English language requirements and the English language tests that we accept. If you'd like to do a pre-sessional, you can do that with us to help you upskill your English before you start your programme. Now you've met all of the conditions of your offer, you can go to your applicant portal to accept your offer and pay your deposit. Then you can book your accommodation and make plans to come and join us at Teesside. Final top tips. Make sure you do your research. Don't forget to check your emails. We'll share important information about your application and invite you to useful events to help you on your next steps to Teesside. And if in doubt, ask. We're here to help you every step of the way. Get in touch with us on the phone, via email, or on the live chat on our website, and we're here to help you. So what are you waiting for? It's time to apply to Teesside.